It's gonna take forever.
Fun?
No!
Are you having fun?
No! Fuck! Ow! Oh, the blade touched my thingy.
That's your what?
Thingy. I need your help a little bit.
Why?
You have to push the tree that way.
Okay.
That's the way it's gonna fall.
Okay. Come on, you got 5 minutes.
Baby, I need you to push.
I don't want to. You can push with your leg.
Yeah, I'm gonna push with my fucking leg. How else was this tree gonna felt?
Don't be such a wuss.
Oh my god. I want this tree falling on me, that's why I really want you to push it.
It's not gonna fall on you, babe. That would be funny.
That would hurt like a monster. Oh, that's right, that's your glove.
Nice.
How is this thing still standing? There it goes.
Damn it. I missed it. I was zoomed in. Good job, babe. Good job. You happy now?
No, I'm tired as...
Good job, sweetie.
Oh. Now I must go back into the night. I got a runny ass nose. Thanks for getting that on film. Oh shit. Camera lens just grew. That's what I call great old Felton there.